Today I want to discuss what's going on with everyone's St. Augustine. So last year we had a drought and a lot of people were overwatering their St. Augustine even though we had restrictions. Main thing is I want to talk about good practices for your lawn care. One of the main things we want to do on the St. Augustine, and let me back up just a minute. It is a brown patch that is overtaking all the St. Augustine. Normally brown patch is patch here, patch over here, but it's just overtaking the whole thing. And one of the main things that is leading us to believe, and other people to call this a brown patch, is that your runners are just laying across the ground. Now, one other thing I want you to check in your St. Augustine is to make sure that you don't have a grub issue also. So to this area that you're seeing the brown, you want to go to the outer edges that's, near your yard where maybe you have some green. The outer edges of the brown, pull up on it. If it comes up easily, and if the ground is a grayish white and looks compact, then that's definitely grubs. Now, back to this brown patch that's overtaking. We want to do good practices, meaning we want to make sure there's no thatch and that you have aerated your yard, and we want to cut back on our fertilizer. So let's use half of the fertilizer that we normally use, and for our stubble, let's use a product by BioSI called SD25, which is a stubble digester. It's very easy to use. You come in here and we'll explain exactly how to use it. Another one is the BioSI Lawn and Garden Plus Humus. We're going to use this to help your fertilizer do a better job, which will cut back on your fertilizer. If you have any questions, please come and see us at Do It Yourself Pest and Weed Control. I'm not going to talk about the fungicide because we want you to work on good practices first. If you've done good practices and we are still having issues, talk to us about the fungicide. Thank you very much and have a great spring.